It's back to 1974 when Wolves were playing West Ham, and my dad was there, and it's on ITV4 right now. So, Channel 24, ITV4, the big match revisited. And if you go to ITV4 right now, you can see Wolves, my team. You can see them in 1974. ITV4, the big match revisited. If you want to see the Wolves, you can watch us in 1974. My dad was at the game, and he said that he had a friend there called John Wayne, and they said over the speaker, "Can a Mr. Syd Sloggett go to gate 5 to meet John Wayne?" And that's a true story. And it's in this game here, look. There we are, the Wolves. If you want to see it, ITV4 now, look. Diddle-a-doo, diddle-a-doo. Oh yeah.